Hey everyone, I'm Saeed. So I recently shipped a new feature to VitoDeploy, which is available on the latest beta version on version 3, that you can simply deploy a Node.js with NPM application, like a Next.js application, to production in just a few clicks. So let's just dive into it. I have already a server set up with Vito. I have installed the required services. So all you need is Nginx supervisor as process manager and Node.js, of course. So I will deploy a site, a Next.js app under this domain, and I will also install an SSL certificate so you can see how it works. So let's just go and create a new site with Node.js npm. And this will be next.js.vitodeploy.com, and then it will be available on this port locally. So make sure your app runs in a port that you mentioned it here. And then, of course, the repository is on GitHub. So your package.json should have start and build scripts. And this is the main branch. You can also isolate the user, which I'm skipping this part right now. So let's just hit and create. So as you can see the logs, it's setting up the project. You can also open any logs to see the details. As you can see, it's now installing npm. So logs are empty yet, and now you see it's building, and you can see the process here. It should be finished soon, and then will be available here. So let's just wait a bit. Depending on your server resources, this might be in a different speed. So it's ready. You can open it right now, and the Next.js application is already here. So I have the application. I can now change any code and deploy it again. Let's just first generate an SSL for that. So I will just go with Let's Encrypt, and let's just go with this one. You can also see the logs for the SSL generation, and it should be done. Yes, it's already done, and I refresh the website. I can also force the HTTPS here. So let's just enable force SSL, and should be done already. And you can see it's redirecting it to SSL. So now let's just go and change some code. So I have the repo here. I will just go to the page. I don't know, let's just change this to something else. So which one? Hello, Vito. So it's done. Now it's at all and test push. So it's pushed. Now let's just deploy. So I will go to the application and hit the deploy. You can also see the deployment logs, which will appear here. As you can see, it's building the repo again. Yes, it's done, finished. You can also change the deployment script. So what a script does, it just basically pulls the branch, runs npm install, runs build, and then restarts the workers for the server. And if we open it now, as you can see, our changes are there. And that's it, how you can deploy Next.js or any other Node.js npm application with just a few clicks. See you in the next one.